phase change process. To understand what happens during the phase change process, display the relationship of properties of a diagram. Temperature, specific volume, pressure, specific volume, pressure, temperatures. These are the temperature, volume, phase diagram of solid ice. The yellow color highlighted solid plus liquid region. The sky blue color highlighted liquid plus gas mixers. Saturated vapor dome. This is called as saturated vapor dome. The dark green, the highlighted in this region, solid plus gas and vapor. Light greens above the critical points, supercritical stage and critical points. The brown color line indicate the saturation state equal to phase transitions. This line is called as a triple point lines. The ice below that means the minus degree Celsius at the time it is in this form is a solid. Slowly heated, the ice start to melt. When the ice crossing the 0 degree, so at the time it start to melt slowly. The highlighted indicators the yellow color lines. 0 to 100 degrees Celsius. It's melt solid to liquid. Slowly solid converted to the liquid due to the heat. After crossing the 100 degrees Celsius, the liquid slowly converted to the gases. The temperatures given slowly step by step. So finally we can find out the critical point of the ices. Below the liquid and gases lines, this area the highlighted is a dome size shape is vapor dome called as. The super cold liquids inside the highlighted by the white color lines. The maximum point is called as a critical point. This area is a supercritical state. Temperatures, volume, phase diagram. This is a compression liquid region. Saturated, above saturated liquid line. This line called as a saturated liquid line. This line is called as a saturated vapor line. In between the saturated liquid, these are the saturated liquid vapor regions. The top point is called as a critical point. P2 pressure, P2 is constants above the P1. The P1 is a constant. This area is a superheated vapor regions. This side, left side of the critical point, compression liquid, right side of the critical point, superheated vapor regions. So temperatures at constant in these lines, and also temperatures T1 and T2 is a constant. Beyond the critical line, left side, superheated vapor regions. Superheated vapor, two-phase liquid vapor, compressed liquid. The sublimations, two ways a substance can go from a solid to vapor. melt to liquid, then vaporize to vapor, vapor, liquid and solid. Indicate the images of sublimation. First under the solid, slowly melt to liquid, converted to liquid, then finally converted to the vapor. Evaporate directly without the first melting sublimations. These images happens at a pressure below the triple point value. These are the common properties of the set of properties that completely describe the system, specify the state of the system: mass, volume, pressure, temperature, specific volume, internal energy and enthalpy.